Welcome to MBBSCouncil. In this video, we will see the top 25 lowest fees government medical colleges in India. You can take this as baseline for NEET 2022 counseling. In general, government college tuition fees do not vary much every year. We have not seen increase in government medical college tuition fees for the past 4 years. If you are interested to know tuition fees for each and every medical college in India, both government as well as private, install MBBSCouncil Android app. It contains key information such as cutoff, bids, patient flow, etc. for all Indian medical colleges. The lowest fees government medical colleges is in Assam. It charges just Rs 1200 per year as tuition fees. Next comes Delhi state medical colleges because most of them are run by the central government. Next comes All India Institute of Medical Sciences. After that, Bihar state medical colleges followed by West Bengal state medical colleges. After that, JIPMER Puducherry and Karaikal. If you have installed MBBSCouncil Android app already, you can rank all government colleges based on the government quota tuition fees. I'll show you how you can do that now. When you saw JIPMER tuition fees in the app, it is mentioned as Rs 6,770 as tuition fees per year. But at the time of admission, you will be paying higher than this amount. You need to see the fee structure of the medical college to understand that. I have given JIPMER fee structure here. Some of these fees you will be paying during the admission are one-time fees such as admission fees, identity card, etc. Some fees you will be paying during the admission are refundable such as caution deposit. For hostel, you need to pay refundable one-time caution deposit of Rs 5,000. For mess deposit, another Rs 3,000. Your mess expenses in JIPMER will be approximately Rs 3,000 per month. That's why the same amount is taken as deposit. As establishment charges, you will be paying Rs 6,000 per year. Room rent is another Rs 500 per month, so it will be 6,000 per month if you stay in a double room. During final year, you may be allotted a single room which would cost 9,000 rupees per year. This brings us to the end of this video. If you like this video, please cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you are looking for expert guidance during this year counseling to get best medical college for your NEET score, contact admission helpline 044 4631 3330. See you in the next video.